Good morning and welcome. This video provides an orientation to the University of Colorado School of Medicine's Psychiatry small groups. Thank you for considering volunteering your time and assisting with the education of our medical students here at the University of Colorado School of Medicine. The Psychiatry small group sessions are a valuable component of the education of our first and second year medical students. It's a critical time for future physicians to talk with individuals with various mental health concerns and to develop skills in psychiatric interviewing, fostering greater levels of understanding and compassion. The students in these small groups are near the beginning of their medical training. Most will not become psychiatrists. Some, for example, will become primary care physicians, emergency room doctors, surgeons, or pursue other specialties. There are several psychiatry small group sessions scheduled across the first and second year of medical school. These sessions cover a broad range of topics, including depression, anxiety disorders, eating disorders, bipolar disorders, psychotic disorders, substance use disorders, and so on. And we are interested in recruiting volunteers who have had conditions relevant for each small group. For example, for our depression small groups, we seek to recruit individuals who have had past experiences with clinical depression. Those interested in volunteering for the small group sessions can call our Psychiatric Education Office at 303-724-7401 or visit our website by clicking the link associated with this video. All our group sessions are held in the Education 1 building on the Anschutz Medical Campus. The address of the building is 13070 East 19th Avenue, Aurora, Colorado, zip code 80045. A copy of this map can be found on our website. The Anschutz Medical Campus can be reached by a variety of transportation options. If arriving by bus, the main bus stop is located here at the center of the campus. The closest light rail stop to the Anschutz Medical Campus is the Fitzsimmons Station. Then take the Anschutz Shuttle to the center of campus. We offer reserved parking in the Kiowa lot for our volunteers located here. For volunteers choosing this option, you will need to contact our office at 303-724-7401 to receive a special parking code. On your assigned group session day, please arrive by 10:15 in the morning and then check in at room 1100 on the first floor of the Education 1 building.
Great. Welcome. What is your name?
Sharon Campbell.
Great. Can you just sign in on this sheet, please?
Volunteers generally receive a gift card when checking in as a thank you for their participation.
There's some snacks right there.
Thank you.
The small group sessions begin at 10:30, and although the length of time volunteers spend with their small groups varies, we ask volunteers to be prepared to stay until noon if needed. There are over 20 medical student small groups that meet in various rooms in the Education 1 building. Each small group has about 8 to 9 medical students and 2 faculty co-leaders. The students begin each meeting with their faculty co-leaders to review material related to the small group sessions. Those discussions can last anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. Then a student, a faculty member, or both will come to the volunteer room and escort the volunteer to the small group session.
Want to come with me? My name is Gwendolyn, and we're just going to be right on down this hallway, okay?
Once in the session, the volunteer will be introduced to the group and one student will conduct the interview.
My name is Dr. Ashley Curry, and this is Dr. Caitlin Walsh. We're the facilitators, and then everyone else here is a student. So after you guys spend some time talking, some of the students might jump in and have some questions. Does that sound okay?
Yes.
Okay.
We ask that you treat the interview as if you were attending a doctor's office for the first time. This allows the student to practice interviewing.
Sharon, could you tell us a little bit about your chronic pain? How did it all start? How does it affect your daily life?
After about 30 minutes, the student or the faculty co-leaders will open up the interview and allow other students in the group to ask questions.
So Sharon, could you please tell us about the emotional impact of your chronic pain?
Sharon, I was just wondering if you could tell us a little bit about your support system.
So Sharon, I was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about your family history and if there are any other mental health conditions that run in your family.
Please be aware that students have very limited experience with participants at this point in time in their training. Students are instructed to practice and may ask you about potentially difficult past experiences. Such questions might include asking about past suicide attempts or suicidal thoughts, traumatic experiences, substance use, or prior relationship challenges.
Have you found any temptation to use substances?
Please remember that it is okay to decline to answer any question or to end the interview at any point in time if you wish. Interviews usually last about 30 to 45 minutes. At this point, the faculty member will let you and the students know when the interview has ended.
So Sharon, I think that's all the time that we have for today. Thank you so much for coming in and sharing your story with us. We really appreciate it.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you.
And if it's all right, Sharon, I'll just walk you on back, okay?
Once you leave the small group room, your participation in the small group session is complete. If you have any comments, please email or call us. These groups are for educational purposes only, and they do not constitute treatment, but there are licensed faculty in each small group. As such, the groups must follow state law about reporting of child and elder abuse and intervene when there is concern for imminent dangerousness or grave disability. If you are interested in finding a mental health provider, we have a list available upon request. Please just ask our team when you check in to room 1100 on the morning you are volunteering. Thank you.